Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can stop the auto update of your Windows. So if you want to simply do this, then this video is the right video for you. So go ahead in the process. Let's go ahead and do it. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now click on services under the best match. Then we need to scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. Now once you find that, make a right click, select properties, startup type, change that to disabled. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK and then close this. Then for the next method, especially if you want to permanently disable or stop the auto update, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type regedit. Click on register editor under the best match. So the registry editor window will be up, and just simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So locate the HK local machine. Click on this arrow. Then we have to look for the software folder. Double click. Under software, we need to look for policies. So let's scroll down. This one, policies. We can also click on this arrow to expand it. Then we need to look for the Microsoft folder. Click on this arrow to expand. And then we need to look for the Windows folder. This one. Now make a right click on your Windows folder. Right click, select new. Select key. And name the new key. So we have created here a new key. Make a right click, select rename. Name this Windows Update with no space, capital letter W, small INDOWS, capital letter U, small PDATE with no space. Then on the created folder Windows Update, make a right click and then select new, select key. Type here capital letter A, capital letter U for the folder name. Now make a right click on the folder named AU. Select new, select the word 32-bit value. And here we need to name this capital letter N, small o, capital letter A, small UTO, capital letter U, small PDATE. It's no auto update. Then you have to double click on it and change the value data to 1 to disable it. Then you have to click on OK. So it's no auto update, the same thing as what you can see on the screen, and the value data is 1. Now if you close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows to apply the changes, then you have just disabled or stopped the auto updates for your Windows. So I hope this helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.